Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to fix cannot perform the action you requested, try again later problem in Facebook Lite. First of all, go to setting apps icon, scroll down, go to apps icon, scroll down, search on Facebook Lite app, scroll down, click on stories, click on clear cache and clear data. Go to Google Play Store, search on Facebook Lite, update Facebook Lite app, and restart your phone. I hope solve your